When it comes to home improvement, the details matter. The Kwikset Tylo interior privacy doorknob offers a blend of style, functionality, and cleanliness, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms and bedroom doors. This doorknob features a sleek satin nickel finish, which adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. The design is versatile enough to complement various decor styles from contemporary to traditional. The knob is designed for interior doors that require privacy, such as bathrooms and bedrooms. One of the standout features of this doorknob is its keyless turn lock. This provides the necessary privacy without the inconvenience of keys. The mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, ensuring that you can lock and unlock the door with ease. Installing the Kwikset doorknob is straightforward, even for those with minimal DIY experience. The package includes all the necessary hardware and clear instructions. The adjustable latch fits all standard door preparations, making the installation process hassle-free. The unique feature of the doorknob is the Microban protection. This technology inhibits the growth of bacteria on the surface, keeping the doorknobs cleaner for longer.